Welcome to Coatings Talks 2-Minute Lessons. Today's lesson is on surface-tolerant coatings. Here are some key points about surface-tolerant coatings. Application over minimal surface preparation. Surface-tolerant coatings are designed to be applied over a surface with minimal surface preparation. Suitability for challenging conditions. In situations where abrasive blasting is not feasible or entirely impossible due to site access or environmental constraints, surface-tolerant coatings can come into play. These coatings can be specified for application over tightly adhered corrosion and marginally prepared or previously coated steel surfaces. Considerations and risk. When considering surface-tolerant coatings, it's crucial to understand the existing coating system's condition and adhesion values. Failing to assess these factors properly can lead to problems like delamination of existing and newly applied coatings. Consulting a high-performance coating manufacturer or certified coatings inspector is recommended to evaluate whether an existing coating is suitable for overcoating. In summary, surface-tolerant epoxy coatings offer enhanced durability and corrosion protection for a variety of previously coated metal surfaces, making them versatile for maintenance in any environment. From pipe galleries to power plants, these coatings have a history of providing reliable protection, whether applied as standalone systems or with high-performance top coats. Thank you for participating in this 2-minute lesson and supporting the content produced by Coatings Talk. Have a great day.